Hi guys, I'm back with another mani. So I have some full coverage nail tips here, and I have applied one coat of Melody Susie gel base coat and cured in my LED lamp. So I have two colors here from the Fleurwee gel polish kit that Melody Susie sent out to me. So thank you to Melody Susie for sending me these polishes. I'm using the white and the red from the gift box, and I'm just applying a thin coat of color, the first color, to all nails, and then I will cure in my LED lamp for a full 60 seconds. Now with these particular gel polishes, they are HEMA free and HPMA, I think, free. They're vegan, they're plant-based gel polishes. So these are on Amazon, and they do have, I think, 30 plus colors that you can select from. They have nice pigmentation. Some of these are one coat coverage for full opacity, but of course I always do two thin coats of color. So with this set, after I was finished, I was like, these are kind of like Christmas nails. So I'm gonna call this my Christmas in July set, and I'm gonna upload it on the last day of July. So after I get that first coat of color on all of the nails, I'm going to go in and apply a thin second coat of color, and then I will also cure in between each coat for a full 60 seconds in my LED lamp. So here are the nails after that second coat of color, and I am using some alcohol, and I'm wiping off the inhibition or the tacky layer off of the nails that is on the nails when you cure. Now you can apply a layer of base coat, but and wipe that off, but that's fine. And so I have some red, they're supposed to be like 5D or 3D nail stickers, but of course I don't get the purpose of them being 5D, because you got to encapsulate them with something or they're going to peel off the nail. So these are kind of like jelly like colors, and so I'm just going to bend the paper, peel them off, press them down, and use the silicone end of my nail art tweezers just to press that and conform it to the nail before I encapsulate. And so initially I was just going to do the sticker on this white nail, but then I ended up putting stickers on all the doggone nails, and then I was like, okay, that's where you did team too much, even though I like extra nails. And they kind of look like Christmas nails, because that kind of reminds me of poinsettias. I don't think they are, but it reminds me of that. And these stickers also have butterflies and flowers, so I'm just putting those on the nail, and I will put them on all of the nails, and then I'm going to go in and encapsulate. I think I do base coat and cure, and then top coat and cure. So here are the nails after curing, nice and shiny. This is why it's giving me Christmas vibes for whatever reason. And so I applied them with sticky tabs, and here they are. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It's still free 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you next time.